Hey everyone, welcome back. It's been a wild ride in the crypto world lately, hasn't it? We've seen some incredible ups and downs. And today, we're diving into a story that's captured a lot of attention. Aster climbing back to the $1 mark while billions have been swept away in crypto liquidations. It's easy to feel a bit overwhelmed when you see headlines like that. The sheer scale of those liquidations can be staggering, and it's completely understandable if it sparks some concern. But what's really fascinating here is the resilience we're witnessing. Aster's journey back to $1 isn't just a number, it represents a significant comeback, a testament to the underlying strength and belief within that particular project. When we talk about liquidations, it's important to remember what that means. It's essentially when positions are forcibly closed due to a lack of margin, often triggered by sharp price drops. This can create a domino effect, pushing prices down further. So, seeing Aster not only weather that storm, but also regain its footing is a powerful signal. What does this tell us? For those invested, it's a moment of renewed confidence. For those watching, it's a valuable lesson in market dynamics and the potential for recovery, even in volatile times. It highlights that while the crypto landscape can be unpredictable, innovation and dedicated development can still lead to positive outcomes. It's a reminder that in any market, understanding the fundamentals, managing risk, and staying informed are key. This situation with Aster and the broader liquidation events offer a real-world case study in how markets can react and recover. Thanks so much for joining me today to explore this. I hope this breakdown has been helpful. If you found this insightful, please consider following along for more discussions on the evolving world of finance and technology.